We'll guide you through how to create models for Blender using the latest techniques and tools as of 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop and make sure it's updated to the latest version. You'll start with a new project by clicking on File at the top left and selecting New, then General. This will give you a fresh workspace with a default cube. You can delete this cube if you want by selecting it and pressing the Delete key. Now, to create a model, you need to think about what you want to make. Let's say you're creating a simple vase. Go to the Add menu, located at the top left. Click Mesh, and then select Cylinder. This will be the base shape of your vase. With the cylinder selected, press Tab to enter edit mode. You'll see a lot of vertices appear on your model. You can then press S to scale these vertices and give your vase a tapered shape. To make the top wider, select the top face of the cylinder, press S, and then move your mouse outward. For more detailed adjustments, you can use the Loop Cut tool, found under the Edit Mode tools on the left sidebar. This tool allows you to add more subdivisions to your cylinder for finer control. Click and drag to add cuts horizontally, which can be scaled to shape the vase more precisely. Once you're happy with the shape, you can switch back to Object Mode by pressing Tab again. Next, to give your model some color, go to the Materials tab on the right side. Click New, and then adjust the base color to your liking. You can also change the surface properties like roughness and metallic to give it a more realistic look. Finally, if you want to add more detailed textures, go to the Shading workspace and use the Node Editor to add texture nodes. Connect these nodes to your material to add depth and complexity. Once you're satisfied with your model, don't forget to save your project by going to File, and then Save As. Choose a location on your computer, give your file a name, and click Save. Now you've successfully created a model in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.